viewpoint on the efforts of the DPWH towards eradicating corruption, which is oftentimes attached to the agency. And what is the current result of this endeavor? If there are any. Again, what is your stand or viewpoint on the efforts of the DPWH towards eradicating corruption, which is oftentimes attached to the agency? And what is the current
attached to the issue of corruption? But then, if I were to win the crown of Mochan and DPWH 2024, I would use my reign to combat the misconceptions about our department. So how will I do that? First is to start within myself. I will dedicate myself to my work with integrity and honesty. Second, I believe that by setting an example, I can radiate this value to my co-employees. And by doing
two ladies here? Are you all ready? The first Mutia we're going to announce is our Mutia and DPWH first runner-up, which means the remaining lady is automatically our Mutia and DPWH 2024. So, the first runner-up will receive a very sash, plaque, and 10,000 pesos in cash. Our first runner-up is... She's Mutia number! I can't hear you guys, Mutia number! Once again, thank you so much, our board of judges, for